Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to lock folders on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer without software. Yes, so without any software, we will be able to lock folders on Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer, whether it's a desktop or a laptop, whether you are a tech savvy or not, you will be able to do it because it is really very easy to do so. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll create a folder first. I'll just create a folder on my desktop and I'll mention my folder like this. So here, no, I'll mention something else. Let's say I'll mention love. So here I have made a folder and I'll just do a double click and here I don't have anything. Now the very first thing here you need to do is I'll paste a code. I'll mention a code in my comment box through which you can copy, and here you need to do a right click and we need to click on new and then we need to select the text document. Alright, and the moment you have created a text document, just do a double click on that and I'll paste a command. I'll let you know a command which you need to copy from echo off to end like that. It's pretty easy to do so. I'll just paste it right here, and here in the middle you will see a section, your password. All right, so here I'll select from Y to D and you can mention your password here. I'll mention EasyTechGeek like ATG123. So this is my password. I'll maximize it so that you can remember it. So here you need to edit it and you need to enter your password will be changed to your password. So you can also do that. So I'll just quickly mention here my password G3, whatever you want to, and then you need to click on file and then click on save as. This is a very important step, and please make sure save as type should not be text, it should be all file. And here you can mention anything, log folder like that .bat. So make sure the extension should be BAT. You can name it whatever you want, but the extension has to be BAT. And you need to save it to the same folder which you have just created. Now I will click on save and I'll click on close and I'll just close it. So here we have the folder which we have made. I'll just do a double click and I'll just delete this text because we no longer want it. And here we have the log fold. So you just need to do a double click and a folder will be created in the name private. You can see right here, and what you need to do is to open that folder, and whatever the files and folders you have, if you have pictures, your files or any kind of data, you can put it there like this. You can see I have put 3 things, and let me just put some more thing like that. So I have 4 things here, 4 files here. You can also put some pictures, whatever you want to. I'll just go back. Now I'll just do a double click. I have 4 files, and here we need to do a double click on lock fold, and it will say, are you sure to lock this folder? So Y for yes and for no. I'll just type Y. No matter small or lower, uppercase will be fine. So I just have typed Y and I'll just hit enter. Now the moment I hit enter, the folder will not be here. You can see I'll just close it. I'll come back and I do not see that folder. So whenever I want to see that folder, I have to unlock it, and here we just need to double click on that file, enter the same password which we have just entered, which we just created. It is up to you what you have exactly created, and here you will see the folder again, right? So once this is done, once you have checked it, you can lock it again just the way it is. Just do a double click on lock fold and type Y, hit enter, Hooray! So we have successfully locked the folder, that too without any software. That's the best part. Please let me know if you're able to do so. And if you have any issues, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help. And please let me know if you have done it or not. I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I really need your support. Have a wonderful day. Take care.